Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going through this Land Rover. It's a Sport. I'm sure it'll be the same in the Vogues as well. New shape from 14 onwards or 13 onwards on the Sport, and the same with the Vogues as well. Here we have the B100D-87 and B100D-96. It'll be the column lock. Now if you're getting this fault code and the key's not getting read, obviously it goes back to the key, battery. These are the things that I will say check before changing components such as the steering column and the module on it. And what I would recommend is changing the key batteries, see if they're all functioning well. If not, I would certainly look into the start stop button. As you can see, check that, see if it's all good and the wiring to it, its connections all good and the sensors plugged in properly. If they're all good, I would take this start and stop out and just give it a clean with the electrical spray, and just clean it and then pop it in. Like I said, just give it a clean and pop it in. Obviously that should hopefully cure it. If not, I would recommend, I mean, it's a hit and miss. Like I said, they're the things that I would check. Battery on the key fobs, make sure that they're all good as well, connected. If not, clean it with a spray can, electrical can. If that doesn't cure it, then just change the start and stop button and hopefully, take it from there. If not, then just look into the steering column and wait that way. But they're the things I would change before going into anything or buying any components.